If your airless handheld sprayer makes no sound when the trigger is pulled, this video will help you troubleshoot and diagnose. Your airless handheld sprayer is equipped with a diagnostic light located on the back of the sprayer, below the Pro Control 2 speed knob. For corded models, the diagnostic light will blink once when the sprayer is first plugged in. This indicates there is power to the sprayer. If the diagnostic light does not come on when first plugged in, check the power source. If the light's still unlit, replace the Smart Control console. If the light does blink when plugged in, but the sprayer doesn't run, the motor may be overheated. Wait 20 to 30 minutes and try again. If it still doesn't run, replace the motor. For cordless models, pull the trigger of the sprayer. If the diagnostic light blinks 2 times, this indicates an incorrect battery voltage. Replace the battery with a fully charged battery. Confirm the battery is completely charged by pressing the fuel gauge button on the front of the battery and seeing all 3 of the lights illuminate. If the battery is charged and doesn't work, it has reached the end of its life. You will need to replace the battery. If the diagnostic light blinks 3 times when the trigger is pulled, this indicates the battery temperature is too hot or cold. Allow the battery time to reach room temperature. Pull the trigger of the sprayer. If the diagnostic light blinks 4 times, this indicates a locked rotor condition. The pump or motor assembly may need to be replaced. If the diagnostic light does not blink when the trigger is pulled, this indicates that the battery is not installed or is damaged. Install or replace with a fully charged battery. If the battery is not damaged and properly installed, then the Smart Control needs to be replaced. If you are still experiencing problems with your sprayer, consult your local Graco Service Center.